Yo, what's your boy? It's your boy, Comrade Viz, and today I'm gonna be playing Ability. Past months, years, I haven't been uploading. You might know me as IDS Gamer. I made a new account because my dad took my email, and so now I have my own email. I'm gonna be playing Ability on Star 3. Yeah, let's do this stuff. This is just like a normal video, where you just like play around. Yeah, come and get dubs. Yeah, yeah, he the one. Bro, get on. Now, actually, I'm not gonna be sad, bro. Come on, All-Star, hop on. I was until for like 1 minute right there. Yeah. Just get on. Oh my god. It's just a game, bro. Just hop on, please. This is on fifth out with I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Just get these stuff, bro. I don't even really care. Yeah, guys. I don't have an intro. Try my hard to just find an intro, guys. Wish me luck in the comments. See, guys. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification, and maybe if you put your username in Discord, I'll put my username in Discord, Roblox username in Discord in the description or like the comment below. And yeah, we can play. 3, 2, any. Oof, my wrist. What is he? Look, guys. I feel sad now, bro. Okay. He's new. Easy. Anyone see that? Oh my god, bro. That was orange, but I still know why. I tried first, okay. My bad. No, you're gonna get glitched. Good job. Oh god. Fair. Wait, what? How's it feel? What do you mean? 1, 2, 3. Just wait. I don't feel sad for this person. Just pause. 1, 2. Dude, I got this guy. I got this man. How is that not a block? Someone tell me. Yeah, I'm gonna get ankles now, bro. Do momentum and shit. Ankled! Swish. And that guy. My bad. I didn't see you. I got his ankles. That was tough. Pass it. Easy. Green. I hate this game. I'm sorry. Oof. No, get off! Wait. No, guys, look at this. It's so impossible. This dude won't do nothing. Look, I'm just blocking. Is that you? Oof, I don't know if that would be bad. No, please, I don't want him to get glitched. Pass up. be in? That was beautiful, okay? See that, bro? That's bad, bro. 50. Should get better ones. Put my webcam there. Oh, I feel sad. Imagine. His teammate is a bot. I don't think it's unfair. Please me. Please me. I be. Oh no. Look at this guy's ankles. I'll try to do it either, bro. I'm really bad. I'm bad for a star. Imagine, get that in. Ooh, I don't really care, bro. It's okay. I sell 2. I'm not the best. How do you shoot? Oh, wait, he doesn't have another teammate. Let's just end this, bro. Even though this is unfair, let's just end it. Let's just end it. I'm gonna end it with an E. Let's just end it. Oh no, my god, these glitches, bro, I don't like it. TOOKEN, shoot. Just press it. Leave the stupid game, bro. Oh, what did I? Yes! You have to leave the game. Glitched. When is it all stop going in there? I'll get this too. I told you I got it. Let me dunk. Oof. They're gonna miss. Imagine, guys. I don't even know why I joined this call, guys. The odds. Let's just end it. IB. Hey, quick, let me shoot. Gee, I wanna get the ball. Ah, the Eddie did so fast, bro. I'm gonna leave the 2 bots, bro. I don't wanna play with them anymore. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I'm not a retake, but just like they're bad. You too, bro. It's hard. At least I got that ankle. Counts. Yeah, let me hop off. Bye. I bet this guy's gonna follow me. Come on, go follow me. Come on, go follow me. Come on, bro. He's gonna follow me. I'm sorry, bro. Don't. Wait, what's up? Yes, they so. He's crying in the background. Make a YouTube video. Stop scaring the girl. Okay, guys. Let's try to get ankles, and that's Rip Shriek. I'm not gonna edit this video today. Oh my gosh. Let's get this. Come on, let's play. Gonna do a straight pass. Oh, it's bad red. Imagine that. Imagine that. Imagine that. He's a cell. Ivy. Oh, what? Shoot it. Shoot it. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're a bot. This bot. Get that out of here, bro. Bro, imagine you blocked it and it was a goal. That happened to me once. Ooh. This ball, bro. Just pass up. I'm gonna edit video, bro. You're a bot. After this, I'm gonna do a street montage or something like that, guys. Okay, it's been too long. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I'm done with these bots. I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe, and I'll put my Discord name and Roblox user under or comment below. Make sure you add me on Discord and Roblox. Please follow me on my other account. It's called L4_go, all capital L4_go. Okay, bye guys.